Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Baran, and in today's video, we will review the Zapier Booking No-Show trigger and demonstrate how to integrate this into your workflow to streamline tracking and optimize meeting insights. So to begin, let's head over to the account integration section, and under automation, we have Zapier. Now, our Zapier account is already integrated with the OnceHub account. So our next step would be to select the relevant application where we want to pass the data to. For the video, I will be using Google Sheet. The next step, from the list of given actions and triggers, I just need to select a relevant action for my use case. For the video, I will be using create Google Sheet row for each no-show booking in OnceHub. So all I would need to do is click on Add Zap, and it prepares the Zapier setup or the Zapier page for me. Now, the booking no-show trigger is already in place, and at this stage, Zapier is basically going ahead and automating the whole process. It automatically confirms my OnceHub account. In the next step, it will go ahead and look into the OnceHub account for our most recent example of the relevant action. So here, for test purpose, it will go ahead and pull up our most recent action of a no-show booking. Now you can see it is configuring or setting up the Google Sheet section as well. And in the next step, I would need to go ahead and configure it as per my requirement. So I'll select the Google Drive. Now, since I'm using Google Sheet, it has these options. If you're using a different application, the options would be relevant or specific to the application that you are using. Now, if I have multiple spreadsheets, they will be available here. I'll go ahead, select the worksheet that I have, and here it gives me all the fields that I have on the relevant sheet. So I'm keeping, for the demo, I'm keeping this video order mapping really simple. I'll just go ahead and pass the name. So that would be the contact name. The next step would be the email. Then comes the status, that is the booking status here. Then the meeting time. So I'll go ahead and pass the meeting time in owner's time zone. And then I want who was the owner of the booking. So let's say booking owner email, and we're going to continue. So the configuration part is basically done. In this step, it is processing the data that it had pulled from the most recent record. And if I click on test step, it should go ahead and publish this data into the Google Sheet. So let's head over to the Google Sheet and confirm that. So here I have the name of the client or the visitor there. Then I have the email, status, meeting time, and host. So I have all the details of the meeting that was no-show. Once I'm satisfied with the data and confirm that it has been processed correctly, I can head back and click on publish. So yeah, once the Zapier is published or the Zap is published, you are all good. All no-show bookings will automatically, or with the data, pass to the relevant workflow. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.